Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Trading with JP. I'm JP, and you might be asking yourself, what's the deal with the hat? And I've been diving into some charts, and I'm pretty sure I just found an explosive scenario for Dogecoin. And there's a good chance that we could be looking at a potential 200% gain by the holidays, definitely, or hopefully by the end of the year. So I'm excited to share that information with you. I know I personally would love to put another 200% gain on the books before the end of the year. But before we dive into the charts, do me a favor, smash that like button. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss out on any other future price predictions. All right, now that that's all out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into some charts.
All right, welcome back. Now that we've got TradingView up, and again, if this isn't something that you are using to plot out your investments, I highly encourage you to use that second link in the description. TradingView, it take you right to the website. It is 100% free. In fact, everything you see in the video is going to be on the free version, so there's no reason why you shouldn't click on the link and sign up for yourself. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about some Doge. So obviously we had this really big run up, and we hit, an all-time high of, if you go all the way up here to the candle wick, it was about 73, 74 cents or so. But really it ended up closing that, that week at about 57 cents. And we've seen a decrease ever since, and it's kind of been in this consolidation period. Now we're still creating a kind of lower lows, but we can see here, the price came down and it started to go back up, came down here, started to come back up. Once it got down to this point, the bulls came back in and redid it. So I'm really thinking that this is going to be the bottom or the floor for Dogecoin. I don't necessarily see the price going much lower than 17 cents if indeed it even does. So using our trend-based fib extension, we can go ahead and kind of do, from our low to our high, and then we're going to go ahead and put, our 0% retracement mark right here at about, like I said, that 17 cent mark. And so this is what I'm ultimately looking at. Now, if we know that the price isn't going to break below the 17 mark, then what does that mean? That means that the price is going to go up, right? And you can see that the next area of resistance, according to our Fibonacci trend extension, at this 0.382 level is actually going to be at 39 cents. So that would be 100% gain, actually more than 100% gain, because we're doubling in price. So if it's at 17 right now and we were to enter, to double it, we would only need it to get to 34 cents. So if we're actually selling at 39, we would even have a higher gain than 100% just in time for the holidays, I'm thinking. So again, this is going to be, we're looking at the weekly chart right now, so this is going to be over the next 2 to 3 weeks, potentially looking at having that mark of about a 39% gain. Now looking at this, I do think that we're going to see some other areas of resistance that aren't necessarily showing up on the fib extension. So right here, we definitely saw quite a bit. So at 28 cents, I think we're going to have a little bit. And then again, we could potentially see something at 34 cents. But again, if we were to go ahead and enter the market right now at this at this 17 level, and let's say we went ahead and sold, even if we sold at, 28 cents, we're still looking at a 64% gain, guys, from 17 to 28 cents is going to be a 64% gain. Maybe sell half of your position there, or maybe sell a third of your position and then sell the next third of the position at this 34-cent mark, which again, that's going to be 100% gain, guys. There's no reason why I don't see that Dogecoin is at least going to get to 34 cents, make 100% gain. And if it even goes all the way to this 0.382 level, we're looking at close to 129% gain. Now, I don't know about you, but that would be an excellent, excellent, excellent way to close out the year and go into 2022. So I was really excited when I saw this lining up with on the charts, and I wanted to make sure that I shared it with you guys. If we jump down to actually the daily chart, what I want to take a look at real fast is the last couple days. So we can see, this price has not really broken below the 17 mark. And so that's good. We're seeing a lot of support right here. And as soon as we get this impulse, guys, it's going to take off. And I definitely don't want to miss out on this opportunity. So again, this is what I'm seeing for Dogecoin right now. We're currently at 17 cents. I'm predicting over the next couple weeks that we are more than likely going to be looking at a 100% gain, going at least a 34 all the way to maybe a 39 high. So if we do indeed have some type of trajectory like this, again, this is looking at potentially starting the week of January 3rd, 2022. So within the next 3 to 4 weeks, we could be seeing this gain. So I wanted to make sure that I got this video out sooner than later. That way, if you decide to jump on this opportunity, you could see a potentially nice return. But again, I do want to point out that these videos are for training and educational purposes only. By no means is this financial advice. Please, please trade at your own risk and make sure that you do your homework before entering a trade. All right. So again, guys, this is what I'm looking at for Dogecoin. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, do me a quick favor, smash that like button. It really does help me out to make sure that my videos are seen all over the cryptocurrency space within YouTube. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss out on any other future price predictions. And if you haven't, do me a favor, comment down below on what cryptocurrencies you would want to see future price predictions on. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.